Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Yeelight Smart LED Bulb 1S color. Vast color options, 16 million colors. Definitely you will find out the right one that it suits better to your occasion. Wi-Fi enable it, smart control, works with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, smart things. Now let's see some of the specs. Luminous flux is 800 lumen, color temperature is 1700K to 6500K, lamp holder is E27 and rated power is 8.5 watt. And life expectancy is about 25,000 hours of working time. Whoa, amazing. Different light scenes, adjustable brightness, adjustable color temperature, on-off timer, voice control and smart control. Download the Xiaomi Mi Home app from Google Play Store or App Store, and with a touch of your finger you can control this bulb. Find out the best scene, the best color, turn on or off whenever and wherever you want. You can control it if you are in your home or outside of your home, it doesn't matter. Everything you can control it from the app, from your smartphone. Well, let's open it to see what we have inside, how we can use it, find out the best options and settings from the app. Ooh, nice. I like the design. M Media. Nice. Scan the QR code for more information and download the app. Nice. It feels very premium. Well manufactured. It's quite heavy. I like it. And of course inside we're going to find out, and the manual, if you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, I'm going to find out all about this product as usual. Nice. Well, let's plug it in, download the app. Well, of course I already have the app, I have so many accessories from Xiaomi, and make the test. Find out the best color that you like most. Xiaomi Home. Add device. We can see one device. We found one device, Yeelight LED Bulb 1S. Choose. You need a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Enter the password. Next. And done. No more than 20 seconds to add your new device. Living room. Next. You can rename the device. Next. Let's get started. Agree. Settings. Firmware update. Yep, we've got a firmware update. Let's do that. Upgrade success. And by sliding up and down, we can decrease the brightness, lower brightness, and again sliding up 100%. Color temperature, sliding left and right. Find out the best that you like more, adjust it. Color, and there is starting the fun. From here you can adjust, slide left and right. And we've got an instant color change, so fast. Just a slide of your finger it takes to change the lovely color. I like the blue, yeah. And the petrol is nice. We'll find out the best, adjust, and the brightness, of course. At all times you can adjust the brightness. Make a romantic scene with your girlfriend, watch a movie, read a book, whatever is relaxing you, whatever you want at your home. And of course you can add more bulbs like that. You can buy more bulbs, as many as you want, and you can control them from the app. Flow, And here we can see it's changing automatic. Flow settings, and you can choose the colors that you want by just tapping. You can change the color, as you can see, and apply. And again, you can see it's randomly changing the selected colors. Add to your favorites, of course. More, turn off delay. Light will turn off in 15 minutes. Cancel. Add to your favorite scene. Nice. And of course you can turn it off, turn it on, colors again, and change manual. We can go to the settings, turn off delay. You can adjust from 1 minute to 60 minutes. Schedule, add a schedule, which time of the day you want to turn on or turn off your light. Repeat, daily, custom. You can choose the days of the week, start time, and the same goes for turning off schedule, schedule period. Default state, default light state will turn it on, select the state to use upon turning on, automatic light state recovery, when enabled the device saves the light settings being used when turned off. Okay, flex switch, the smart lamp can be used with a flex switch to release intelligent control even when the light is off. MI wall switch and Yeelight flex switch. Okay. Please confirm that you have purchased and installed the MI wall switch or Yeelight flex. Okay, cancel. I don't have at this time. You can rename the device as I said. Create light group. In this category you can add other lights. As you can see, I've got other lights I can add, and you can control all the lights and have the same scene, the same color temperature. Let's say you are in your living room and you want to have 4 bulbs like that, and you can control 4 bulbs with only one press of a button. Manage location, where are all these lights. You can set the device, automation, you can create automation. Let's say if you've got other devices, like I have the alarm from Xiaomi, I have the motion detection. When it sends motion, it can turn on the light. You can adjust that in which time, which day of the week it can happen. Let's say you're waking up at the morning, you're coming to the living room, and you want the lights to turn off with the motion activated. It can do that. Or if you have enabled the alarm of your home and triggered the alarm something, it can turn on the lights. It can turn all the lights on. With the Xiaomi app, you can make automation and control everything. Add, if, let's say, as I said, living room motion detected, then add what it happened, the light bulb, it will turn on, it will turn off, adjust the brightness, everything is here. So easy to do. It's amazing. Well guys, in some of my video in the future, I will show you the automation that I've got on my home and how everything are working perfectly together. Firmware update, we have done that. Help feedback, additional settings, favorite is on, and of course you can delete the device. Let's go back. Favorites, apply. You can apply a scene, sunset, movie, birthday, date night, cozy home, romance, flash notification, candle flicker, and flash notification. Again, we've got 2 flash notifications. And of course, favorite, you can add your own favorite scene. And as you can see here, guys, I've got other devices. All those devices, they can be controlled from the app, everything. light bulb, and here color, choosing again the color. Wow, it's amazing. I like LEDs. LEDs are fit perfectly in every place. Definitely you will find the right one, use it, relax and do your thing. And of course you can control it and from Alexa. Alexa, turn off light bulb.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on light bulb.
Okay.
Or from Google Assistant. Okay Google, turn off light bulb.
Alright, turning off the light bulb.
Turn on light bulb.
Alright, turning the light bulb on.
Alexa, adjust light bulb brightness on 90%.
Okay.
Okay Google, change light bulb color to red.
Okay, changing the light bulb to red.
Alexa, change light bulb to cool white.
Okay.
Wow. Alexa, change light bulb to warm white.
Okay.
And as you can see guys, you can adjust the color, you can adjust the brightness, the color temperature from Alexa or Google Assistant. Just with your voice, sitting to your couch, to your bedroom, and just with your voice control all the lights. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. If you want to buy this product, you can check down below to the description, find a link, click it, and find more information and just buy it. It's a great opportunity to have this light and have fun. You can use it and for a party, have more bulbs like that and make a party scene. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Subscribe, it's very important, it takes only 1 second. Bye bye.